I don't know who need to hear this, but how you do your analysis simplifies how you create your A plus setup every week. Now, this is Euro USD, and I will be doing my analysis for you guys, and I will also be teaching you guys how to do your analysis and how to create and formulate A plus setup. Everything I'm doing here is just A plus, A plus. So now, first of all, you do this on Mondays before markets open, or on Sunday before markets open, or on Monday, because probably sometimes on Monday the market used to be slow. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. Your weekly time frame is just to know the overall movement of the market. That's all. We are not marking anything else from the weekly time frame. Though remember that the higher the time frame, the stronger the analysis. Now this is our weekly time frame, and in our weekly time frame, what do we have? You can see we'll be pushing down. We'll be pushing down since this week. Since Monday, we have been pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. Where are we going? The overall market analysis on overall market movement for this particular market is bullish. We are bullish because there's a big momentum over here. Price is going up, skyrocketing up, leaving so many traces, leaving so many gaps here and here that is still going to recover and cover them up. But now let's focus on this week to know if we are going to make money for this week. We are bullish for this week, but I think this is a retracement, and we might also find an opportunity to trade under this particular retracement. After seeing this in the weekly time frame, let's go down to our daily time frame. Each time frame tells a different story. So the analysis you do in the weekly time frame might be different from the one you are doing in the daily time frame. Now, first of all, you can see this nice opportunity that market gave us here. You can see this nice opportunity. Let's change our cursor to arrow. Then you can see this too. You can also see this opportunity, and this is a fair value gap from the daily time frame. And price do not joke with a fair value gap. Fair value gap is one of the institutional reference points. A fair value gap is a valid and strong aspect in which price need to cover before making any phenomenal move. So now, when looking at this particular market, price has already mitigated this particular fair value gap over here and creating a new gap. Look at it here, guys. This is a new fair value gap. Let's take this out. This is our new fair value gap here. This to this. This is our new fair value gap in this Euro USD trade. And after seeing this, price already is in the 15% of this fair value gap, the 50% of it. So price is already in the 50% of this particular market, and we are going to start looking for opportunities in the market. As easy as that. Remember now, the daily time frame we are bearish. In the weekly time frame, we're just seeing a little retracement, but in the daily time frame, we are bearish. Euro USD is bearish. You can see all these rejections. You can see them. Euro USD is bearish. You can start from here if you want. From here down, okay. We are bearish, and price already started creating opportunities for us to go bearish, because you can see if by the end of today this candle is going to create a fair value gap over here if price do not fill it up. But I think price is going to fill it up after filling this buy side fair value gap and continue going up. Price must and will surely fill it up. So what we need to do now, after marking a fair value gap, let's go down to our 4-hour time frame to see something else, to see a clear picture of it. In our 4-hour time frame, we are still bearish. We are still bearish. We are still going down. We are going down, down, down. You can see a 4-hour time frame fair value gap over here. This is a 4-hour time frame fair value gap, and also another fair value gap over here. Remember, we're working with fair value gaps. That's what I'm working with only for this video. And that one here. So the other price should deliver something like this, tapping into this full buy side fair value gap and going to this sell side fair value gap before coming down. The other price to deliver something like this, or we are going to first of all tap into this sell side fair value gap before going down to this buy side fair value gap. One thing is sure, you understand? So this is our 4-hour time frame, and from our 4-hour time frame, this is now our new fair value gap that we're expecting price to do what, to tap us in and take us in. If we have gotten this clear and great scenario from this particular area, then that is where we are going to be buying from. Let's check something in our daily, in our 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame fair value gaps align together. They do align together, and from our 2-hour time frame, you can see this is just a minor fair value gap and a minor trade I will be taking this morning. A minor trade, another new fair value gaps. Let's call it a minor one from the 2-hour time frame. Not that important because 4-hour is stronger than the 2-hour time frame. So let's mark it out. Unit price before the open of New York's of London section, I'm just expecting price to buy into this particular area. If price can do that for me, yes, that is my good place for me to sell, for me to join this particular opportunity, this particular selling opportunity before we are going to start buying. So that's a good aspect for me to sell. If price can take me into that fair value gap, we'll be looking for opportunity to push the market down. 1-hour time frame, also the same thing. Let's align it. Yeah, also the same thing in our time frame. So this is our analysis for today in Euro USD. Our stop loss, our TP should just be, remember we are heading somewhere. This is just a counter trade. We are heading somewhere. Let's go down. Okay, we are heading somewhere, so stick with me. Our TP should be at least 1:2. This is what we should be anticipating this early morning for Euro USD. So start selling Euro USD now. If you are already in, you find a way you start selling Euro USD this early morning, so that price can take us into this fair value gap. If price already start floating inside this fair value gap, we need opportunities. When you see a bigger opportunity, then we're going to close this trade, something like this. Price will tag us in, move here and do something like this. Yes, then we'll be looking for a good opportunity to buy again to this place. Now I'm buying the retracement because we are just selling. This is a big fair value gap here, you understand? We are just retracing. So we're buying the retracement and keep moving. This is what we want. Our stop loss 20 pips. Now our take profit should be 1:3. So this is everything I'm anticipating on Euro USD this morning. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video, or just apply the same technique that I use and analyze your own market, and trust me, you will enjoy it. You will surely enjoy it. Just apply the same technique, the same everything, and trust me, you will enjoy it. Now let me go straight and place my order. I place my order on Euro USD, and I will also send a signal out to my people, those who are also ready to trade with me. I'll send a signal out with them. for them to know that yes, so we mean business. We mean business. This is just 6 o'clock in the morning before New York section. And remember, this is just only the analysis I've done on my Euro USD. You are starting analysis on other pair, then we'll be having so many opportunities to trade from. This is just only Euro USD opportunities. Oh, wow. You can hear the sound already? You can hear the sound. We mean business. We mean business. Now, for this particular second entry, I'm just waiting for confirmation for that particular second entry to be valid. Without confirmation, I think the second entry is not valid or should not even be valid. Understand? But with this particular one, I'm already entering aggressively because of what? The momentum of the market is pushing down. We are selling, and the sell cannot just stop here. Understand? We are selling. You need to enter the one favorable gap or the other. You can see self price is already pushing down already. We are selling, and we need to join the momentum. We need to join the big boys and sell like the big boys and start going down and moving down also like the big boys. You understand what I mean? So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to others, and also you do what? You share this video or you subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more wonderful videos like this. Join my Telegram channel so that you'll be receiving any analysis that I do. If I do analysis, you will receive the signal on time before even me doing what? Uploading the video on YouTube. See you guys next time, and peace out.